Welcome back, everybody. My name is Eric Diaz. Today we are checking out a trophy home located in Allen, Texas. This is a 55 plus community, so keep that in mind whenever you're watching this home and deciding if you're interested in this one. So the one that we're looking at today is the Rapport. That is the floor plan. It is listed at $674,400. It actually was listed at $704,000, so there was a price decrease. It is a 3-bed, 2.5 bath, 2,591 square feet. This one is available now to purchase this specific floor plan. They do have a ton of other floor plans as well available. In my opinion, this neighborhood is definitely a little bit pricey. All of these are going to be 2-story homes. Most of them are 2-bed, 2-bath in the 600s. So a little bit pricey in my opinion, but regardless, there's great incentives right now towards new builders, especially with the interest rates. They do help out a lot with the interest buy down. So comparing it to other prices in Allen, it's understandable for new construction, especially for Trophy Park on what they're asking. So make sure you reach out if you have any questions. We can discuss kind of where your budget is at and see if there's anything else in this neighborhood or if this is the home for you. So as we walk in here, we do have that mud room. You have your first half bath here. As soon as you walk in, to the left would have been where the garage is, and then you do have your washer and dryer. So this neighborhood does have some nice amenities, like its own amenity center. There's a clubhouse, there's a pool as well, kind of like a resort style pool. There's a trail system that runs through Twin Creeks, which is the neighborhood next to it, which is offering miles of walking, biking. If you have pets, this would be a great spot to just kind of walk around. There's also a nice social calendar, so there's a lot of activities going on. So perhaps if you're retired and you're just kind of looking to wind down, make some friends, and kind of hang out, this could be an ideal neighborhood for you. The floor plan is really nice. This is one of the bigger lots or bigger floor plans available. The flow of the house is super nice. I thought it was very, very well constructed. Ceilings are super high, so I kind of forgot that this was a 1-story home. And this is honestly my favorite part of this house is the shower. I love the little windows here that you have, and look at the size of this thing, man. It is beautiful. So this, I would love to have in my own home. You have a beautiful his and hers sink right there. You do have your toilet right here, nice tucked away. And you do have his and hers closet as well. So really, really good master bath and master bedroom as well. A ton of space. Honestly, really, really good use of all the square feet. I have no complaints regarding that. It's really just the price point in my opinion. And it's, of course, being in Allen, this is located super close to some of the shopping centers nearby. You're also close to the tollway. So you do have access towards the Colony, Frisco, McKinney. You can go down to Dallas as well. So you're located fairly decent area, close to pretty much everything, which is really nice. And I'll show you guys a few shots of kind of the courtyard down here, some of the amenities. If you are interested in this neighborhood or any other neighborhood in particular, make sure you reach out to me. My contact info is on the screen and in the link in the description. I'll show you guys how some of these really cool houses look like, super nice and modern. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you at the closing table.